Hello. I know I say that every time I come on. Hey, Royal family. What's up? Yes, it's a wonderful Thursday video. All right, you guys. I'm back in the sweet mood, so I'm going to do something sweet today. But before I get started, I'd like to say thanks to all of my new subscribers. Thank you. And thank you to my ride or die subscribers. You guys rock. All right, you guys. Just coming on to give my little advertisement, I gotta kick it in somehow. But I don't know if I'll be able to come on this Saturday for the culinary segment. I'm going to try, but my business, Queen of Scones, is really picking up. Kingdom Barbecue is still doing good, but the Queen of Scones is just coming out of the park. I actually had a VP from a bank ordered from me and gave me a 5-star review. Yes. So if you guys would like or get a chance, check me out. I'm Queen of Scones at Facebook, or check out my website, www.queenofscones.net. Any flavor you can think of, I can make it. With that being said, today we're going to do a green apple dumpling. Yes, a green apple dumpling. You know the dumpling that in the older days, they used to just cover it with the crust, and I'm a crust girl myself. I love the crust. So we're going to do the apple dumpling that's covered in a crust. But yeah, I'm gonna cheat. Yeah. I ain't making no pie crust. I'm gonna use Pirates. Is it Pirates? Well, I'll show you the package. It's one of them, I don't know. I just spreaded it out, and hey, this is what I'm gonna do. But if you guys would like to make your own pie crust, go ahead and do that. I just ain't for the labor. All right, let's get this train on the track, and let's get these green apple dumplings done. Also got a twist. Always do. All right, let's get started. All right, here we go with the ingredients. In this bowl here, I have 1 small green apple. And of course, you guys, I'm not gonna do a recipe with just 1 green apple. I've already done the other 3, and I'll show you those that's in the refrigerator, but I'll explain to you why. But I got small green apples. You can use the large if you like, but I like the smaller ones. Next, I have 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I have 1 tablespoon of butter. I have 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. And the star of the show is, check this out, you guys. This is called, all right, let me move this back. This is called Everfresh Green Apple drink. This is going to be part of our sauce. And when I tell you the green apple flavor in this is so intense. Oh my God, this is going to be so delicious. And this is the pie crust I use. The Pirates pie crust. I like these better than I do the one in the red box, where it's already rolled out. For some reason, I don't like those. If I'm not going to make the pie crust, this is the only thing that I like using. But what you're going to do, I'll show you, is just take each pie crust and you're just going to roll it out. Now, we're not going to keep it in here, but you just want to roll it out and keep it separated from the other one. But anyway, with that being said, let's get started. and do these green apple dumplings. Yep, I forgot. I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon in here, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can omit the nutmeg if you don't like nutmeg, but I really love it. All right. Okay, let me check. That's all the ingredients. All right, you guys. We're going to core this green apple, and I want to show you the apple core that I got. This is an apple core. Well, it's going to take all of the insides out. All right, now let's get started with that. All right, and then we're going to peel the apple. So you just go in like this, okay? And you just go around, just keep going around. Until you go all the way to the bottom, and it will come out. Hold on. Almost there. Okay, I hear it. There you go. You see? It has cored the apple. It's getting a little blurry. All right. You see? It has taken all of the core out of the apple. So next what I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the apple, then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, Royal Family, I have peeled and cored the apple, and this is what we're going to do with the pie crust. You're going to set your apple in the center, and then you're going to take the crust. I rolled it out until I think it was 24 inches. I got several of these rulers from Amazon, which are so great. I mean, they send you like 12 of them that are different colors, and you know, I'm all about the cross-contamination, so you can take a color and know what to use it for. But I got like, I want to say 12 of these at Amazon, so I spreaded the dough out using my ruler, which was like 24 inches. Whoop, that fell. Okay, so now let's take the pie crust, and we're gonna go around, pull it all the way up to the apple, okay? You see that? Just keep folding it. And even if it tears, it's okay, because we're going to play with this baby, all right? Let's keep going, pulling it all the way up. I know it looks like a mess now, huh? But it is going to be so delicious. All right, let's fold this in, fold that in. Okay, now we have it all pulled up. Now what you have to do, you have to go around, and we're just going to press it in first, okay? Let's just press it in. So we just press it. I'm all out of your sight. I'm forgetting I'm recording. Okay, let's keep pressing it. Okay, you see that? And now I'm just going to take a rolling pin and smooth it out like this. Just take your rolling pin and just smooth it out. Okay, I'll come back and show you once I smooth this out. All right, but this is the apple that, and of course, once I smooth it out, the hole in the top, we're going to remove the crust. All right, be right back. Okay, Royal Family, here is the apple that is covered in the pie crust. And just an FYI, you can literally prepare this a week or two in advance. just wrap this in saran wrap, then put it in a freezer bag, just like this. And then when it's time to bake, you can take it out, bake it on 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. All right, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. You always want your crust to be cold. So even doing this, it still needs to be refrigerated for 1 hour. All right, let's get started on the sauce. I'll be right back. All right, in this pot here, I have 2 cups of the green apple drink. I have the butter, I have the spices, and we're going to put this on a medium-low, and we're going to stir it. You don't have to stir it constantly, but you do want to check on it. We're probably going to do this for about 5 minutes. I mean, this sauce is going to be freaking awesome. All right, I'm gonna let this start to melt down, and then I will come back and show you guys. But I have to show you something. I got a new food processor. So we're going to be doing some awesome soups in this processor. All right, I'll be back. Okay, Raw family, here we go. Oh, let me show you the sauce right quick. This is the green apple sauce, which I could just take a cup and just drink it. I mean, it is that freaking good. All right, so here are the apples. What we're going to do is just pour this around. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And what I want to do is make sure I get some of that syrup. Ooh, on the inside of that. You see that? Okay, let me turn this one around. Let's just fill the... Okay, and let's just put the rest in. So we're going to bake it 40 to 45 minutes uncovered. And when I come back, you will see some green apple dumpling magic. Yum! Okay, Royal family, here is the finished product of the green apple dumpling. You guys, this is amazing. I'm going to cut it for you, but I can't eat another bite. I've already had 1.5, and it's like, oh my God, now I'm sick of sweets. But all right, let me cut it for you. You see it? Where the apple is nice and tender. And look, it is still hot. Can you guys see that? Yum, yum. Hopefully I can pick it up and show it to you closer. All right, here is the finished product of the green apple dumpling. And I just topped it with some ice cream. All right, you guys, hopefully I'll see you Saturday, or if not, next week. God bless you. You guys stay safe. And until we meet again, see you later.